Hey everyone, welcome to day number 6, okay, of transformation workout. Today we're going to do HIIT and legs is what we're aiming for. So we're going to do 30 seconds of a HIIT exercise. We're going to do 15 seconds of a leg exercise, okay, so a quick blast on your legs between each one and then a 15-second rest. Alright, so notice it, the leg one's always going to stay the same. Leg exercise, in a lunge and pulsing, okay. On one round, you're going to do it on one leg. Obviously, when we go back to the pulses, just swap the legs over. Yeah. In the 15-second break, I'm going to explain what we're doing on the next exercise. Okay. So first one we're going to start with is high knees with a lateral jump. So make sure you've got enough room either way beside you. You're going to do 1, 2, 3, then jump onto the other side. 1, 2, 3, jump back over. 1, 2, 3, jump back over. Alright, that's out for 30 seconds. Then we go around into our lunges. Alright, let's do it. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, off we go. So 30 seconds, you do your high knees, jump over. So you're lunging down from one side to the other and jumping across. Just go as far as you can, as much room as you have. So good. So we've got 10 more seconds and then we'll move on to pulses in a lunge. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Get in the lunge. Start your pulses. 15 seconds. And then we're going to have a break. Yeah. Next one is going to be burpees with that lateral jumping as well. Yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And relax. So you're going to go down for a burpee. You're going to come up, get on that leg, jump across, down for the burpee again, yeah, and then back over. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, off we go. So down for your burpee, up, over, and down. So you're going from one side to the other. Again, as always, it's all time, so just do as much as you can in the time, yeah. That's it, good. Okay, near there, we're going to start our lunges in 3, 2, 1, off we go. So other leg, lunging down in the pulse, okay? Nice and low, right angles both legs, upper body upright. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Broad jumps next, make sure you've got plenty of room. You're going to jump forwards, and then small hops back to where you started, yeah? Let's go as far forward as you can, small hops back. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, off we go. So, big jump forward, small hops back. Far forward as you can, small hops back, yeah? Good, guys. So it's just 30 seconds, little 30-second blast of your HIIT. Oh. We're going to go into our lunges. That's it. Good, keep it going. 3, 2, 1, and swap yourselves around. Back to your lunges, yeah? That's it, good. Next one, nice and simple. We're going to sprint on the spot as fast as possible, okay? 3, 2, 1, and rest. Shake your legs out. Next one, yeah, we're just going to be on the spot. Short little feet, as fast as you can, on the spot, 30 seconds, all right? Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Just on the spot, short little feet, nice and quick, still pumping the arms. Good, 20 seconds. Then back to the other leg, lunge it again, that's the one. Keep working, keep going. Nearly there. Fast as you can. And 3, 2, 1. Good. Cool. Swap round. On your lunges. Next one. 1 squat thrust, 4 mountain climbers. That's the whole thing. Alright. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. And relax. Good. So down your squat thrust position. Both feet back, you go forward, back, 1, 2, 3, 4. forward, back, 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's do it. Both feet back, forward, 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward, in, 1, 2, 3, 4. In, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, good. Spot on, everyone. Just keep working. Do as much as you can. Back to your lunges after this one. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Hop yourself up, pulsing in that lunge. Got 3 more HIIT exercises to do after this one. So good. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, and relax. Right. So next one, side kick throughs. You'll be down where you were before. Left hand comes up, right leg comes through. Opposite side, right hand comes up, left hand comes through. Yeah, off we go. Time started. So, one hand up, out to the other side. That's it. Good. Ooh. 2 left. After this one, keep working, keep going. That's it. Good. Spot on. Nearly there. Side kick throughs. And 3, 2, 1. Hop yourself up for your pulses. So good, everyone. Whew. Doing well. 2 left. Bit more leg bends one. Next one. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and relax. Next one. We're going to start on our knees. Come up to the bottom of the squat. Back down. Make sure you alternate the knees that you move up with. Okay? Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Off we go. So up on one leg, back down. Make sure you're at the bottom of the squat. So you're not just going from here and standing up. Yeah? You go from here, bottom of that squat, back down again. Then back round to your lunges. So good. Keep working. Nearly there. 3, 2, 1. Off we go. Lunging down. We got 1 more HIIT exercise. 1 more round of pulses. And then we'll have a break. Good, everyone. 3, 2, 1. And relax. Good. Cool. Last one. Old classic. 10 high knees. Drop the floor. Get back up. Another 10 high knees. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Off we go. So you're going to do 10 high knees. 10. Get down on the ground. Hop yourself up. That's it. Good. 10. I say 10. Straight down, straight up. It's not a burpee. Just get down on the ground as quickly as possible. And back up. Then last round of pulses. Are we ready, guys? And 3, 2, 1. Last 15 seconds. Pulsing. Off we go. Finish it off. Keep working, keep the legs going. Good. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And relax. Good. Nice. Grab yourself a drink. Grab yourselves a drink. Whew. Nice. A few rounds to make it all the way through that one. Spot on. Okay. For round number 2, we're going to change it. So rather than giving one leg a break in lunges, you're going to go and do squat pulses instead. So you're going to be at the bottom of your squat, pulsing like so. Yeah. Also, because we know the exercises, we're going to take out the 15 second break even. So shorter round, but more intense. Yeah, because we're not having our break in. When we're doing the pulses, I'll remind you of the next exercise as we go along. It's still 30 seconds of each HIIT one though. Yeah. So still working 45 seconds. Getting rid of the lunges, squats instead, and no rest. Okay, so grab yourself a drink. If you're enjoying this, then do hit the subscribe button, right, so you don't miss any of the workouts. At the moment, with us all being stuck in the house, I'm doing one every day from Monday to Friday, so make sure you hit the button. If you do like it as well, thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Also, if you want to see some extra exercises or workouts, that sort of thing, you want to focus on a different part of the body, comment down below with what you want to focus on next, all right? So I'll give you, let's go with 30 more seconds, yeah? So shake everything out. Again, please grab yourself a drink. 30 more seconds. Oh. So, we're starting off with the high knees and the lateral jump, okay? Back there, high knees, lateral jump across, then you're gonna hop down for your pulses in the bottom of the squat, yeah? We've got 10 seconds, then we're gonna get cracking with round number 2, last round. Doing my guys, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, off we go. So, you're doing your 3, 4 high knees, dropping down, jumping back over, yeah? 3, 4 high knees, dropping down, jumping, back over. Still working for 30 seconds. Get the knees up as high as you can. That's it, good. Last round, guys, keep working. Inside the last 10 seconds, then the pulses in the squat. 3, 2, 1, pulse it out. Next one, same lateral jump, but with the burpees, yeah? So you're burpeeing down, lateral jump across. 30 seconds again. Are you ready? And 3, 2, 1, off we go. So hop yourself down on the ground, pop yourself up, jump across, back down again. Yeah? So, we're burpeeing down, hopping ourselves across, and down. That's it, same as always. Just do as much as you can. Keep working. Keep going. 5 seconds. One of the harder ones. 3, 2, 1. Hop yourself up. Bottom of the squat. Okay. Broad jumps. Next one. So jump as far forward as you can. Small hops back. Good, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Off we go. So far forward as you can. Little hops back. As far as you can. Little hops back. That's it, good. Whew. Keep working. 15 seconds. Nearly there. 10 seconds left. Couple more. Keep putting it in. 3, 2, 1. And back around to your pulses. That's it, good. Sprint on the spot. Here's your next one. Fast as you can. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Hop yourselves up. Oh, even though those legs are tired, oh, let's go as fast as you can, yeah? That's it, good. Keep working. Nice and quick. Spot on. Halfway. Then we're around our squats. Doing well. Keep it going. That's it. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Pulse it out. Okay, squat thrust with 4 mountain climbers. 1 squat thrust, 4 mountain climbers next. Yeah? Good, everyone. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Off we go. So, 1 squat thrust forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. Squat thrust. 1, 2. Okay? As always, just keep working. Do as much as you can in that time, yeah? 1 squat thrust, 4 mat climbers. 10 seconds left. So good, guys. Nice. 3, 2, 1. Pop yourselves up. Oh, nice and low. Cool. Next one. Same position. Side kick throughs. Okay. Side kick throughs next. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Off we go. So left hand up, right hand. Left hand, right hand. Okay. That's the one. Keep going, guys. Keep working. We've got 2 left after this one. Whew. Keep working, keep going. Nice, guys. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Back in those pulses. So next one, from your knees, bottom of the squat, back down again. Okay? Good. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Help yourself onto your knees, bottom of the squat, back down. Again, make sure you alternate the feet that you're going up with. We've got 1 more set of pulses, 1 more exercise, and then set of pulses to finish it off. Right, are we ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's pulse it out. Let's do it, guys. So, last hit one to finish off. 10 high knees, floor, back up. 15 seconds of pulses, done. Ready? 3, 2, 1, hop yourself up. 10 high knees. Once you've done 10, to the ground, back up. That's it, good. To the floor, back up, spot. Nearly there. Last bit. 10 seconds, 15 seconds of pulses, then we're done. Right? 3, 2, 1. Finish off. 15 seconds. If you've had to stop, hop yourself back in. 10 seconds left. Last bit, guys. Keep working, keep going. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Ooh. Good. Right. Make sure you grab yourself a drink. After that one, it was tough. So, well done on that one. If you want to add in my new ab workout to that, it's another 6 minutes. I'll put it in at the end here, down the bottom. Again, like I say, if you did enjoy it, subscribe. And if you've got some friends or family that's stuck in the house as well, share this with them. Do it all together on Zoom. Get everyone moving. Hopefully we'll be back out in the open soon. Right, but until next time, well done, guys.